The tire sensors not detected, or TPMS reset warning on your Ford Fiesta, indicates the car's computer, called the ECU, can't read the tire pressure sensors. This often happens after a tire change, when the sensor battery dies after 7 to 10 years, or following an ECU reset. The fix involves a TPMS relearn process to reprogram the ECU with the sensor IDs. Rising tire prices, up 12% in 2025, make accurate TPMS crucial, so addressing this promptly is essential. Don't ignore the warning, as low pressure increases rollover risk and fuel consumption. To fix the TPMS issue, start by performing a relearn procedure. First, ensure your tires are inflated to the correct pressure, 32 to 36 psi for front tires and 30 to 34 psi for rear tires. Check your Fiesta manual for exact specifications. Try the driving method. Start your engine, drive at 16 to 25 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes, then briefly accelerate above 30 miles per hour to trigger auto detection. This works on 2020 and newer Fiestas. If that doesn't work, try the manual reset. With the key in the ignition but engine off, press the brake pedal 3 times, turn the key to on position without starting, and cycle through menu options if your car has them. For the tool-assisted method, use a TPMS reset tool or OB2 scanner. These scan specific codes like 0 for sensor ID to force a relearn. If relearn fails, replace faulty sensors at $50 to $100 each. Learn sensors in sequence front left first per Ford TSB 40219.